First of all, we started by planning. This is because we want to continue to provide the best possible results for you, our customers, in the future. This was the starting point for the NETZSCH Campus Waldkraiburg. We moved and installed hundreds of tons of material. We polished and welded. We installed over 100 kilometers of pipes and cables. We measured. Bolts were tightened. And much more to create a state-of-the-art production site for you. A place where we work hand in hand to achieve the best results for you. We use state-of-the-art technology to develop and plan products tailored to your needs. From the production of individual parts to painting, right through to assembly, we produce everything in-house for you. We promise the highest quality and accuracy. Wherever you are, our pumps will always find their way to you. Nothing is more important than improving your processes with our pumps and contributing to your efficient production. Whether it's consulting, installation, maintenance, repair, or selecting the fitting spare parts. To this end, we have put a fully automated high bay warehouse with immediately available spare parts into operation for you. Our local teams travel to even the most distant places worldwide to ensure that your systems always perform optimally. We focus on sustainability in all our processes to steadily approach our goal of complete climate neutrality, so that you, our employees, and our environment benefit to the maximum from the new NETZSCH Campus.